Hello everybody, this is Master Barber Louis Sapax, and this is the final episode of XTRIM USA. They have these really professional clippers. If you look, they look feel really good. I like the ergonomics. I only got 3 minutes to get this out, so I had to be fast. Anyway, take the top off. This is how they sound. They come with a taper blade, not a fade blade. This is it. Wow, and they have, yeah. If you see, they don't got, this is a floating lever. Anyway, this has almost the same feel and weight as the, if you know about the Andy Masters aluminum. Basically, this is like almost the same feel. I didn't get to use them yet, but I will. Here's another. They come with this right here, charging stand, which I'm gonna open. Anyway, I gotta open these, okay. Charging stand, XTRIM, nice, perfect. Open him. Better fit, my God. Oh, okay. I'm like, what? All right, there you go. They come with guards. With the one with the metal plates, they're pretty sturdy and durable. I felt them. But they come with the half guard. They come with the all the way up to 2. And they got the 1.5 guard in there. If you use that. This cord is very durable. Look at it. Look how thick this is. Oh my God. But this is a professional clipper. I could feel it. I haven't used it yet, but just by feeling it, comes with the same thing with, you know, walls. Got the comb. This is a collection edition. It got the little brush thing. That's it for now, but I showed you the equipment. I love these. These feel really good. God bless. XTRIM USA Clipper Review.